Hello students, welcome to Excel Maths. So we are going to be talking about like terms and this is type 1. Under type 1, we're going to be talking about the expressions where we are having the same variable. So let's see what type of examples we're going to be getting. So for the type 1, you may get A. A is the variable here, A plus 3A. So what's A plus 3A? Whenever you are having just a single variable, that means it's one variable. What is the number over there associated? It's 1. 1A plus 3A. What do we need to do first? Just check the variable. They both are A. Consider it to be an apple. You have an apple here. You have one apple here. And then you get 3 apples. Right? You get 3 apples. So how many total apples do you have? Obviously 4 apples. No? So what variables do? They really make our life easier, just not by writing apples again and again, just use A. Correct? So this is like having 2 terms. Now what if I increase the number of terms? If I say 3A plus 2A plus 5A. What are we going to do in there? Again, first check if variables, what type of variables are there? We have all the variables same, just simply add the numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 5 is 10. So we get 10A. The third type, the third question, let's increase one more variable there. 4A plus 3A plus 2A plus A maybe? Or if I make it another term, like you can add the series of A's there, no? So like this. So what we're going to be doing on here, what A is, basically it's 1A and 1A. Don't get confused. Generally what happens, students really don't add them up. That is the major mistakes we do. So just be sure that you are considering these A's to be nothing but 1A. Right? They all are having the same variable. We're going to be adding the numbers. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, 10 and 11. Hope that makes sense. Now, in combining like terms when we have same variable, let me show you one more type that is going to be little trickier, especially for foundation. So if I say, again, it's combining combining like terms only with the same variables, but what we're going to be doing in here, say for example, you have 2 with that's 3A plus 4 plus 5A, maybe something like this, right? So in here what we're going to do, so expand it first, single bracket expansion. So 2 times 3 is 6A plus 8 plus 5A. Okay, this is the constant value, no? It doesn't have any variable. So we would keep it aside. We can't really add it. You have some apples, or maybe 8 is nothing but a weight. So you won't add weight with 8, correct? It's a different quantity. So 6A plus 5A plus 8. So what we're going to get in here, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11A plus 8 is what the answer is. So many a times we get the questions where we have to expand and then simplify. Hope that makes sense. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.